I have a question for you. This isn't an Irish question. How do you get the accents over it when you're typing?
There's a couple ways to do it. I switched to a Hungarian keyboard because it has it, but
Well, there's no Hungarian keyboard.
Okay, well, you know, when I'm just doing my texting on my phone or whatever, and I want to tell someone to talk about, how do I get the accent?
Oh, if you're doing it on your phone?
I mean,
if you do it on the phone, what I found it.
Or email. If I'm emailing,
Okay.
how do I get email?
Yeah, on the phone you have to switch your phone, I think, to Spanish mode. And you can then do it on your phone.
It depends on what system you're on, because like singular, you just keep pressing, and once you go past the regular letters, you'll start getting your accented characters.
Yeah, but the Verizon one, Verizon you have to do it in Spanish.
Oh, well,
What if I have Yahoo?
when you're texting, like A, B, or C,
What if I
just
have
go past
Yahoo
A, B,
email?
C.
That's what Michelle says.
Keep
Keep
going,
going,
yeah.
Past two, and it'll start doing A.
There's keys for it if you want to do it.
I know they
How do I do it when I'm
Microsoft Word.
emailing though? So if
Okay.
I want to say Poke Mahone in my email, how do I get that spot? Just out of curiosity.
Okay, a couple ways to do this. One way, it's okay. There, if you're on a, is everyone doing this on PCs or anyone on Mac?
PC.
Okay, PCs. What you do, there's a way to do this that pretty much works on.
No matter what.
Yeah.
Is that the letter? Is that the numbers? You're clicking the numbers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this will work from just about anything on PC. Is you hold down the Alt key and on the keypad over on the right there, you type in 160, 130, 131, 132, or 132 while you're holding the Alt key down.
That's another way
Huh?
to do it.
Wait.
It's 160 for A, it's 130 for E, but for I,
Sorry,
it's
that's it.
161.
Sorry, I'm not typing. Yeah, okay, 161, sorry.
I put Alt and the accent at the same time, then I push the letter and it comes with the accent.
It depends on
Yeah, that's
on
what I
what.
do in Word. If you use it in Word, yeah, if you hit Control and then.
Yeah, this works on everything.
On everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the Alt and hold
The other way you can do it
accent.
is keep a little file, like a little
So Alt and
file on your
accent
computer
is
somewhere that
one
has
letter.
those keys and just copy them.
Well, if I'm on MySpace and I want to say Poke Mahone,
Yeah, those work. See, those will work on anything. If you're emailing, you're doing it from Word, you're doing it on any
Like the
program.
plague, yeah. You're not missing.
So.
I'm only just lowercase those.
Yeah, those are the lowercase ones, but those are pretty much the main ones you're going to need. There's not. You sort of have a choice to leave them off in capitals. So. Huh?
Shanti moves like
Oops, sorry. Yeah, yeah, probably should. It's the. Oh, what's the date? It's the